So in this video, you'll learn how to use the object eraser tool on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the Gallery app or the Photos app. And then from here, you want to locate the image that you wish to remove an object from. So it can be any image that's currently on your phone. Then you want to select it to start customizing. Once you've selected the image, just tap on Edit, which is this pencil icon here. And then from here, once you're in editing mode, you want to tap on this menu icon, which is in the form of 4 small circles. And then from there, you want to select the option Object Eraser. So you'll need to confirm that you wish to use this smart feature on your phone. So just tap on Continue, and then it will start processing the image so that you can start customizing. So in order for you to erase an object, you have to start by circling around it. So all you need to do is just circle around the image like that, and then it will circle around that item that you want to remove. If it's not been circled or it's the wrong thing that's been circled, you can just tap on this undo button and then go ahead and just circle exactly whatever it is that you want to select. Once you have it selected, you then want to tap on erase and wait for the changes to be processed on your image. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your object has been successfully removed from your image. Again, you can just go back if you've accidentally circled around the wrong thing and just tap on the undo button until it's been undone completely. Then you want to go ahead and just select it again, and then again tap on erase and it will be removed from the image. And then once you're done with that, just remember to tap on done to save the changes. And then you have 2 ways you can save this image. So you can choose to save it as it is, so it will replace the original photo that you had. Or you can just tap on these 3 dots and then choose Save as Copy, and then you'll have your original image and the edited image right next to it. So here's the original and here's the edited image. You can also activate the Object Eraser tool by simply tapping on this AI button at the bottom, in the middle bottom of your screen like this. And then from here, you should be able to see all the AI tools that you can use on the image. So you have Object Eraser, just select it, and you can go ahead and use the exact same steps to just remove items from your image. So just circle around them like that, and then select Erase, wait for it to be processed, and it should be removed from your photo. So that's how you can use the Object Eraser tool on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.